Detox Diva here to share with you the 3 really important things that you want to make sure any detox you ever do has, because it's super, super important. Okay, I see a lot of people out there only doing a juice cleanse or only taking a pill or only eating clean, and it's not enough. So there's 3 parts that are really important for any detox that you're considering. You want to take the bad stuff out of your body and out of your choices. You want to repair the damage. That's when you need the right products, right? And then you want to put the good stuff in. And that is what helps rebuild your system. And when you put the good stuff in, that's with, again, supplements and then with the right food and nutrition. So I was meeting with a prospect cleanser this past weekend, and when I was talking to him, he was like, your program is really different. He's like, I really like that you have a nutrition component built into this, and that's gonna help me break these habits that I'm in this chronic cycle of making bad choices for myself. This is language. I don't use good, bad, right, wrong. But he was saying, I'm just not making good choices for myself, right? I'm having the coffee in the morning and sometimes 2 cups because I just need it to get going. I'm having my ice cream because I need the sugar to make it through the day, or he wants the reward at night. And he said, I need to break those habits. And the fact is that you don't break habits, you replace them. And that's why with my detox program, my 21 Cleanse program, I've built a plant-based nutrition program into it. So you get into this really good wellness routine and you know exactly how to eat good food because it's all laid out for you. You're eating at a specific time. I give recipes and food lists and shopping lists and all of these things, so it's like super easy. So you get in this new habit of putting the good stuff in, right? Because so many people are super toxic because of the choices that they're making. So your morning coffee habit, your afternoon sugar kick or Red Bull kick, your evening glass of wine, those things add up, and those are causing harm to you, mind, body, spirit, okay? And so that is huge. It's like impacting your ability to be the best version of yourself and then to channel that into what you're doing. So when you're doing a detox, you want to make sure that whatever you're doing, and this is what my prospect cleanser said. He said, I've done a lot of detoxes before, but everything is all about getting the bad stuff out. And so after I get the bad stuff out, I go right back to doing what I was doing before, because nothing gets me into, nothing puts the good stuff in, right? I said, exactly, like that's exactly why I created this. I didn't want to deal with the FDA or the IRS, but everybody was like, we want to do what you're doing, put us on something. And so I said, oh, that means I have to create something. So I did. So when you're doing a detox, I really, really, really want to enforce that you want to make sure that you're using the right products and the right food so that you're taking the bad stuff out of your body and out of your choices. You're repairing that damage, and then you're putting the good stuff in, okay? It's a 3-part process. Make sure you get all of them. So that's my tip for the day. Nikki Harden, make it a good one.